Hi everyone, in this video I will show you again how to make photo tray with resin. Last time you told me that the music was so loud and you didn't hear anything, so I decided to make one more video and explain how to make photo tray. So first of all, you should print pictures that you want to stick on the tray. The pictures should be printed on the laser printer, and it should be very good quality of paper, because if it will be low quality, it can be wet or the color will be removed from the picture. So the quality of the photo should be very good. So I printed a poster in CVS pharmacy with good quality. So I cut the poster the size what I need for my tray, because trays can be different size. So I cut photo for special my tray size. So when I cut it all photos and they are ready to be on the tray, I take Mod Podge and I pour some Mod Podge on the trays and spread on the tray. If you add too much Mod Podge, try to remove. So it should be just stick the photo. I don't pour or spread on the picture, just on the tray, the Mod Podge. And then I stick the photo and remove in the corners and edges Mod Podge. Be careful when you clean the Mod Podge around the tray, because you can remove a picture or remove ink on the tray, so make it so careful. So after this I'm waiting like 15-20 minutes. The picture should be a little bit dry, and then I can cover by resin. So I already mixed resin and hardener, and I pour on the picture. It should cover the photo, so I spread everywhere. So the picture should be like under the resin, like under the glass. It will be looks like under the glass. So when you poured all resin, you should spread, and also don't forget to remove all bubbles from the surface. I use fire torch for this, You should remove all bubbles from the surface, and you should check and remove bubbles every 15 or 20 minutes, because you stick to the paper, and usually under the paper you have air, and all air bubbles, they go up, and you should check every time in the corners and everywhere, because if you don't do every 15 minutes and remove bubbles, and the tray will dry, it will be with bubbles and with holes next day, so it will not beautiful and it will not good. So don't forget to remove bubbles, and do it every 20 minutes, and you should to be sure that bubbles not go up, and you can stop to remove them. And then you leave for 24 hours tray, and it is ready to ship. So here you can see how beautiful the tray is, and it looks like glass. I forgot to make video from another tray. I already shipped it, but it's beautiful. It was beautiful the same like this.